folks? All right. 8y minus 8 minus x plus 8x. I'm sorry, xy. Here's the thing with this one. And this is, again, like many of the problems we've talked about today, there's always a little trick or twist you have to be watching for. Here's the trick with this guy. Hey, folks. Matt. Shh. All right. That negative between the two groups is a problem. My advice when you're working on these is wherever you can, turn that into a plus negative so you don't lose track of which signs apply to which. The most common mistake is when we go to factor out the common, we end up adding an extra negative to it all, so you want to watch for that. So I'm going to rewrite this expression as 8y minus 8 plus a negative x plus xy. That right there, that extra step of changing it from a minus to a plus negative means I'm less likely to have a problem later when I go to do factoring. So now I can take a look at this thing and say, all right, what can I factor out of the first group? 8y and minus 8. Now the 8's the obvious contender there. Plus negative x plus xy. What about the second group? Pull that x out. So pull out an x, negative 1 plus y. Guys, do I have the same binomial? Actually, yeah, I do. Because that negative 1 plus y is y minus 1. And just for those that aren't quite sure, let me rewrite it. So plus x, y minus 1. Now I can go ahead and pull out that y minus 1. That leaves me an 8 plus x when I factored it. We do the alley check. I don't see anything else I can yank out. I'm good to go. What's that? Oh, the final check? No, I'm not going to require that. Although I'll be honest, based on the last quiz, I would check it until you're really confident you're not going to have a problem. We had some issues, but we'll talk about those later. What can I talk about here? If you have to, yeah. All right.